My most popular video is the one entitled Best Way to Clean Oven Racks. At this time it has over 150,000 views. And I'm sure it's popular because it is the best method and it does work. But now I want to apply that same method to my stovetop burners. Let me show you how bad they look. So I have a glass top gas stove. And let me show you an up-close view of one of the burners. So here it is. I mean, can you see the, I hope, all the dirty, grimy, embarrassing appearance of my burners. And we've tried throwing them in the dishwasher, and that helps a little bit, but it doesn't really get this type of stuff clean. So we're going to try this method. So now I've simply placed the burners in gallon Ziploc bags. But one of my burners, this one, is too big to fit in a gallon bag. So I am just putting it in the double shopping bag, and we'll tie it shut. Probably won't be as good as the Ziploc bags, but we'll make do. Now, you could do the next part inside, but I just think it's safer for your nose if we do it outside. For the next step, we need household ammonia. Take off the top. And be careful with this stuff. I mean, if you get a whiff of this, and be careful with this stuff. Don't get your new... No. And be careful with this stuff. So we're just going to take our bag, open it up, really easy, and pour some of this in. And then Ziploc it shut, and don't inhale any fumes. Okay? You don't need to cover it with the ammonia. It will just, it's the fumes that's really going to do the work. So we're going to do that with each bag. And we don't need a feline assistant. Okay. She loves plastic. For some reason, she loves to chew on it. And see, by being outside, it's much easier not to inhale those fumes. And you really do have to be careful. And of course, keep this away from small children. Okay, one more of the Ziploc bag. Okay, we've got them all zipped nice and tight. And now we just have our double bagger here. Pour it in. Okay. And then, going to do the best we can. Tie it up. Like that. Okay, that's just going to have to work. Now, I'm just going to leave these here in the sun and overnight, and then tomorrow we'll open them up and see how clean they are. So it's raining right now. I'm going to take these bags, empty them outside of the ammonia because we have a well and it wouldn't be good to put down our sink. And then I'll bring them in and it'll be the moment of truth. Oh, fumes. There's still something in here. Trash. One of the bags had kind of a leak in it, so let's go with our big one first here. That came out nice. You can see there it's got, oh, that's coming off nice. A little bit much there. Very hard to hold this in front of the camera and actually scrub, but you can see it's coming off pretty easy. So I'm going to do these and then I'll be back to show you. So these all cleaned up really nice, really easy. That first one I opened, however, it really didn't. It's still got stuff on it. So this might have been the bag that leaked. I'm going to try doing another bag overnight tonight, and then I'll get back with you and let you know if that was the problem. These I'm going to put in the dishwasher just to get all that, for sure, ammonia's off and that, and let them dry, and then I'll put them on the stovetop. Well, the burners are all on my clean cooktop, and you can see they look pretty darn good. This is the burner that had that leak in the bag, so it did pretty well. I only kept it for about 5 hours in a Ziploc bag with ammonia, but it cleaned up good. So I would say this is an easy way to clean your burners. So I think this was a successful experiment, but I might change things next time. Rather than putting them in individual zip bags, I may use a kitchen garbage bag that has the ties on the top. Just put them all in there, pour the ammonia in, tie it, around and around so it's pretty tight, and leave it one bag rather than wasting 5-gallon bags. And maybe you don't need to leave it overnight because it seems to work pretty well in the 4 or 5 hours that I did that one burner. But it is up to you. But I think this is the easy way to clean your burners so you won't be embarrassed when your mother-in-law comes over. This is Potpourri saying, please subscribe, always share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.